record audio. Okay, so we have already discussed about if and sorry, it will be else if, not is. So we were discussing about else if, and we were here. Suppose we have a system where you can log in by using three name or two names. Suppose two name, and the one name is Henry and the name is John. So what will we do? We'll take the input from the user. They will give their name, and then we'll check if the name is Henry, else if the name is John. So if the name which user give input doesn't match with any of these two names, so what will show? It will show that sorry, we couldn't find your name in the database. So log we couldn't find you here. You can show actually you can give any text you want. So now let me run the code, and then at first let me give some random name like random word. So you can see that the program is showing sorry we couldn't find you in the database. So now let me run the code again, and then let me give John. So we should be careful about uppercase and lowercase letter here. So then we can say welcome John. It's showing that welcome John, your name is in the database. So now let me try by using Henry, Henry. So you can see that it's showing that welcome Henry, your name is in the database. So this is how we can use if, else. And for example, you have few names. So what will you do actually? Yeah, go on, Henry.
Ramis,
Yes.
is there any way to avoid the majus and minus letters? Majuscule.
Can you speak a bit louder? I'm sorry, actually.
Is a way to avoid the the first that the first letter will be in majuscules or minusculas.
Oh, okay. You're trying to say that if the first letter, the user give the entry first letter in lowercase, what will happen, right?
Yeah. I mean, in that the way you write the name um, is very important, right?
Yes, it's very important.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah. But if uh, is there any way to avoid it or no?
yes, there is a way to convert all the names into uppercase, but we'll not see here. Okay, we'll see it later. How can we do that? Okay. I mean,
Okay.
for
Okay.
this, for today, we'll just discuss that the name the user will give. It must be how can I say? It must be same as the name what we have inside our database. Okay. I mean it. Even if you input it Henry with lowercase, I mean the first letter is in lowercase. Let me show you here. For example, you put it Henry. So now what will happen? Actually, it won't show you the welcome message. It will show you the sorry because the first letter is not the same as the first letter here. So let me put input. So you can see that sorry we couldn't find you in the database. But we have solution for that, and we'll see it later. Okay, maybe the next class or the class after that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
So now I was trying to say you that what if you have more name? Okay, you wanna give the user to log in by using more name. So you can use else if as many times as you want actually. For example, okay, I have to put a block here, and then for example we have a third name, and that is username equal John Henry. You can say Paul. Okay. So it will show welcome Paul. Name is in the database. Okay, now let me run the code again. Oops, happened.
else if the else if import.
Oh, okay. We have to put a space. So let me write Paul. So now you could say that welcome call your name is in the database. So you can add as many conditions as you want. Okay. So let me explain you the flow of the code again. At first, it will take the input from the user, and then it will store the username inside the username variable, and then it will compare one by one. If it get the match, first match, then it will execute this block. The other things won't be executed. If the code doesn't get any match with the first if block, then it will go to the second block. It will compare again. It's with John. If it's throw false also, it will go to the third block. If it find false also, it will go to the last block else. So it means that whenever the condition becomes true, it will execute that block. If any condition is not true, then it will execute the last block, else block. So that is how our conditional statement works. In the next part, we'll see how can we concatenate. I mean, how can we use one or more condition at the same time by using logical operator. Okay. So let me know if you have any question.
Now it's clear, James.
Okay, thank you very much, Henry. I think we are done for today's. In the next class, we will discuss about logical operator and loop. And you know that we have already uploaded the class material of the second class, and you will find all the things today I have discussed in this web page. And if you come here in the home page, you'll see here the reading materials. And here we listed down the videos, but language of few videos are not in English, so it will be easier for you to understand. I will provide you the English video link. Okay, I mean today's class recording I will provide you. Okay.
Okay, James, thank you. Yeah, this link was sent it in the last email.
Yes, I sent it in the last email.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. I will check it.
yeah, no problem. I can send you personally also, but we send it again and again, many times actually, because all the times we send you the reading materials. Actually, we send the link from here. For example, for class one, we send it this link. So if you come this web page, this is for first class. But if you can see here, all the reading materials will comes one by one as we go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, James,
Okay.
what about the assignment number 2?
Actually, we have closed the link, but I will give you the question and you can send me personally. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. I'll send you the question, and actually I'll try to add the question below this part. Okay. So that you can come here, read all the things, and then you can try the questions. Okay.
Yeah, okay, James, thank you a lot
Yeah.
for your
Yeah.
time.
You're welcome. Okay, Henry. So we are done for our today's session as you don't have any question. So I think if this is comfortable date for you, then we can meet in the next week the same time. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So we see you the next Wednesday. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, thank you very much, Henry. Just let me know if you are facing any problem when doing the assignment and solving the problem or anything else. You just tell me, okay? I'll try to solve your problem, even if it's not possible to solve it by writing text. We can have a conversation over Zoom again for a short time, okay?
Okay, thank you, Ramis. Thank a lot.
Okay, yeah. So goodbye, Henry. Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Bye bye, Ramis.